Hi guys, have you ever wanted to integrate high fidelity AI image generation into an application only to be held back by clunky interfaces and expensive GPU clustering? Today, we are looking at Advanced AI Image Creation Studio, a sleek production ready application designed to generate game assets, concept art, and photorealistic portraits in seconds. The interface is designed to be completely impressive. Users are greeted with a customized dark glass aesthetic. You can select from curated templates like cyberpunk or isometric, or simply type a custom vision into the central command bar. We will give one of a prompt like a futuristic sci-fi city with flying cars, 8K resolution, cinematic lighting, and I will enter button. Okay, so once a prompt is submitted, the application seamlessly transitions from the landing view into a dedicated studio workspace. It retrieves the session history from the local database and begins rendering. So it might take a few seconds to generate the image. Wow! So as we can see, a futuristic design, very beautiful image is generated with very high resolutions, and we can also download the image. So, have you wondered how it is generating such heavy high resolution assets so quickly without crashing the local machine? That brings us to the core engine, the Qubrid advantage. Hosting a massive model like Stable Diffusion 3.5 large typically requires expensive cloud GPUs, managing complex dependency and dealing with frustrating cold start delays. By leveraging Qubrid's API, those infrastructure headaches completely disappear. Qubrid provides instant serverless access to the state-of-art models. What this means for the application is threefold. First is the speed. The API responds with the sub-second latency, ensuring that the UI never hangs and the user remains engaged. Reliability. With enterprise-grade uptime, we don't have to worry about the rate limits or endpoint turnouts ruining a creative session. And the main important thing, cost efficiency. It operates on a high optimized pricing model, meaning these applications can scale globally without accumulating a massive idle server cost. Now let me give you a code walkthrough. We will start with the front end. So let's look under the hood to see how this is engineered. Starting with the front end. The interface leverages Streamlit, but it goes far beyond the default components to feel like a native modern web app. In app.py, robust state management is used to control the user's viewpoint, instantly swapping between the inspiration grid and the active canvas. Then we have the sidebar py and we have the styles.py file. To achieve the premium look, a specific css is injected via styles.py, creating the frosted glass cards and perfectly aligned pill shaped input boxes. Now going to the backend part. Moving to the backend part, this architecture avoids fragile single file scripts by implementing an agentic workflow using LangGraph. So inside LangGraph.py, the execution is treated as stateful graph, with the current flow ensuring directly from the prompt to generation. This modular design ensures future scalability. So if we wanted to add a prompt enhancer node or maybe an image scaler node tomorrow, it could be snapped directly into this pipeline without rewriting the entire code logic again. Then we have the backend nodes.py. Uh, so the heavy lifting is isolated in the nodes.py. The function securely authenticates and transmits the customized payload, including the seed, interface steps, and guidance skill directly to Qubrid's stable diffusion endpoint. Then we have the database, high ordered to row with descending order. Once the binary data is written and saved locally, the interaction is logged in SQLite. By optimizing the SQL query to sort in descending order, the application ensures that the user's newest creation is always printed on the top of their studio history. So to summarize it, to recap, AI advanced AI generation Creation Studio is a blueprint for production-ready AI applications. It features a locked-in, beautifully customized front end, a scalable LangGraph orchestration backend with local SQLite persistency. And most importantly, it utilizes Qubrid AI to completely bypass infrastructure bottlenecks, delivering stable diffusion 3.5 model with incredible speed, cost effectiveness, and reliability. It proves that integrating powerful generative AI doesn't require massive budgets or complex deployments, just clean engineering on the right platform. Thank you for watching and start exploring on Qubrid. Thank you.